guys, so it's me again, and please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for dinner. Of course, I'm going to marinate my Hornish chicken with paprika, Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion powder, chili flakes, and that's my Hornish hen. And of course, these are my wet ingredients: lemon, thyme, rosemary, and coconut oil. And I'm just mixing my dry ingredients, so it's gonna be so delicious, guys. And I'm going to rub with my Hornish hen, and I'm gonna marinate my dry ingredients with my Hornish hen for at least like 30 minutes, so it's gonna be like so delicious and so tasty, and we can taste all the ingredients. And I'm going to rub it all over the place. And guys, thank you